weekend, me and my best friend are going to Soke Africa. I'm super excited. So Soke Africa is like a music festival event and you must dress African inspired outfits. So my best friend requested an African print top. That's what we're going to be making today. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just going to be freestyling this and I really don't have enough time because I'm a busy babe and a busy babe is tired and I don't really, and fingers crossed when she tries it on it fits her perfectly because it will be the day of the event. Okay. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ruby and on this channel we do sewing, fashion and a sprinkle of lifestyle. If that's your thing, go ahead and subscribe and join us for the show, and let's get started with today's tutorial.
This is the reference pictures she sent me. So we're gonna do a wraparound top. So I'm using leftover fabric for when I made another boo-boo dress for her. So I'm going to measure how long she wanted the top to be from upper breast to waist length and mark that down, and then I'm gonna measure across her waistline measurement divided by 2 plus a few extra inches where I'm gonna attach the straps to tie around the top. So I'm going to be using this tag top to get the guidance of how I'm gonna cut out the underarm of the top. Now that I have the rough idea of how this top is supposed to be shaped in front, I'm just going to extend the line a bit longer to go and attach it to the straps that are going to tie around the top, and I'm going to cut that out. So my fabric is on fold because I'm cutting for the 2 parts of the front top. You guys understand when I lay it out. So these are the 2 parts of the top and they're going to be overlapped like this when the top is put together finally. Now we're going to cut out a piece for the back of the top, which is going to go in the middle of these 2 parts. So I'm taking her across back measurement and marking it down and cutting that piece out, and then making the length of the back piece the same as the front parts of the top. Now I'm gonna measure this part of the top, which is going to be her underarm, where we're going to attach the sleeves of the top. So you have to keep this measurement for later on. Now I'm cutting out the pieces for the sleeves of the top. So I'm just gonna cut out 2 big rectangles. She wanted the length of the sleeves to not be longer than her elbows, and this is the pieces that I'm going to be using. We're gonna take the back piece and the 2 front parts, right sides touching, and we're gonna sew on the sides and join them together. Remember that measurement we took of the side of the top? That's going to be your elastic measurement times 2, and you're gonna have the measurement for the elastic. Now taking the front panels of the top, we're gonna do a double folded hem, and we're gonna do the same for both sides. Silly me, I'd forgotten that I need to leave holes on the sides of the top where the belts are going to go and strap around her body. So we are just going to remove a few stitches on the lower end of the top, and then we're going to secure the ends of those stitches and just iron that down. Now hemming the bottom of the top, we're gonna do a double folded hem as well. Now moving on to the sleeves of the top, we're gonna take our elastic and sew it on the longer end of the rectangle of the part of the sleeve. Make sure that you're pulling your elastic, and then we're gonna do this for the other side and then fold it over and do another top stitch. And again, remember to pull your elastic. On the other end of the sleeve, I'm just going to do a simple folded hem. I folded about 1.5 inches because I wanted to put elastic in there later, but she said I mustn't put elastic later on, so that worked out pretty fine. Thank God, because I was really tired. Now we're just gonna close the sleeve together, and then we're going to go on and attach it to the main piece of the top. Now we're also going to do a hem on the back piece of the top. So after you sew on your sleeve, there should be a piece that's just bending over, and you should just sew that down. Now cutting out extra straps so that when she ties the top, she can tie a cute bow at the back. And then we're gonna hem this and attach them to the end of the strips that are on the top originally. And we have a freestyled cute African print top for the event, period.
Thank you guys for watching. I am so happy that she loved the top and it fits her perfectly. Please do leave a comment down below letting me know what you guys think of today's tutorial. Don't forget to leave a like and share this to someone who might enjoy this video. And if you'd like to see more DIY tutorials from me, you can check out this playlist next on my channel. And see you guys in the next one.